Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to restrict access to folders, lock them, and password protect the Windows 11 folder. Open your browser, type in lock folder, and there's a site called lock and hide folder that lets you lock and hide folders. Click download. There we go. It opens up and it's only 2 megabytes. Not bad at all. Click yes, okay, next, choose your installation drive. Click next, and I'll choose to have the icon on the desktop. Click install, it installs in seconds, then click finish. And here it opens up. There we go. Now click register. There you go. Click OK and the program opens up. Click add and select the folder you want to hide. I'll select this folder here. Click desktop, select the folder and click OK. Select it and click hide. There we go. And just like that, it'll be invisible. You can see it now because I have it open so that it shows hidden files specifically for the video. There. And accordingly, this is how we hide the folder. And the most important part is to set a password. Right? So we click settings, select the password here, and enter the password that you'll need to type in order to unlock that folder. And that's it. If you need to show it, click show, and the folder will no longer be hidden. There, that's all. Valor was with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.